The Jazzy Carbon HD combines lightweight portability with heavy-duty construction. It weighs just over 32 pounds without the battery and carries a 400-pound weight capacity for the ultimate combination of strength and finesse. And as we'll see here, it's very easy both to fold and unfold. First, I'll fold the unit in real time to show how quick that process is. Now, let's take a closer look. First, fold back the footplate. Next, you'll see a latch toward the back of the unit. While releasing this latch, the unit can begin to fold. To avoid extra bending, once the unit has begun to fold, you can lean it back on its anti-tip wheels to complete the process. Push the seat and back together as close as possible until you hear an audible click. That means the unit is now locked into place and can be picked up securely. To reduce overall weight, you also can remove the battery at this point. You also have the option of removing the cup holder and joystick controller to create a more compact bundle. To unfold, there's a latch on the underside of the power chair. Release this to begin unfolding the unit. Continue until an audible click indicates that the power chair is now securely in the driving position. Fold down the footplate and reattach the battery if necessary, and you're ready to ride again. The Jazzy Carbon HD is a modern mobility marvel and an outstanding heavy-duty addition to our travel lineup. Head to pridemobility.com to learn more.